2022 GMC Sierra 1500. With less than 38,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. In addition to its fantastic fit and finish, you'll also get cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, cooled front seats, tinted windows. Don't risk the regrets. Test drive it today.